Okay, so today we talked about the tonal center, and starting with the key of C, the tonal center of the key of C is on the third rail, or between the second and third strings, on the Aeolian axis, on the fifth fret in this case. So if you play those two notes, C and E, the third string and the second string, and you're in the key of C, that's one. We call that one. If you move down a half step from one, and you take that C and you move down from C to B, that's going to be 7. And if you add a third to that note in the key, you're going to go from B to D. So that's a minor third, and that's the 7, the leading tone third, if you will. Right? The 7 is the leading tone. So it's the leading tone third, and it's a minor third. And then back to C, which is major, and the second note of the key, the supertonic, the 2, a whole step up from C to D, and then the high note goes from E to F. So we have a minor third rooted in D. So this is 1, 7, 1, and 2. And if we are on 2, we can go up a whole step with both notes, and now we're on 3, which is also a minor third. 3, 2, 1, 7. We can do exactly the same thing in reverse, descending from 7 to 6, another minor third. So we have an A minor third, a B minor third, C major, D minor, E minor. And we continue down from A minor to G major. That's our 5. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 1, and then 2, 3, and then 4, which in the key of C, 4 is C, D, E, F. So that's an F on the 10th fret. And that's the 4. And then 5 is a whole step up. So we can see how the pattern is expressed with 2 notes at a time. And so if we take that and we move it to the key of D, everything simply moves up a whole step.
Right.
And we have the same structures.
Exactly.
That's 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we go to the key of G, now C, instead of being 1, C is 4, and D is 5.
Right.
D major. So C major is 4, D major is 5, and now we're going 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now spreading up to the upper previous other strings.
Now extending from the major third on the third rail. Anytime you have a major third on the third rail, the shapes will be symmetrical. When you go up from the E, for instance, to the next third up from E in the key of C, we hit a G. So that's E to G, that's a minor third, connected to the tonic major third. And then if we extend down from that tonic major third and we go from C, we're going to go from C to A. That's descending, and it's a minor third down. So we have the C major in the middle, minor third up, and then a minor third down. And that gives us these 4 notes, which actually form a minor 7th chord. And there are 3 minor 7th chords in every key because there are the 3 major thirds that happen in every key share that quality, that characteristic of going up a minor third from the high note and down a minor third from the low note.
And in this case, in the minor 7 that you got from the core of C, you have a 6.
You have an A minor 7.
A minor 7,
naturally,
perfect.
if you go down from the 1 down a third, you're on 6.
Then you have a.
So let's say we're in the key of G now, and that C major is 4. So down from C to A is going from 4 to 2. So this is a minor 7th rooted on the 2 of the key of G, an A minor 7.
Yeah, got it.
And then if we're in the key of G, we have a D major. And if we descend from D, which we're going to call the 3 this time, the 5 rather this time, right? Because the axis is the 3, is the Phrygian axis. But these 2 notes are the 5 of the key. And descending from the 5, we have the 3. And ascending from the 5, we're going to go 5 to 7 within that double stop.
Got it.
And then up from 7 is a minor third. So we've got the 7 on top, the 3 on the bottom. We've got the 6 on top, and the 2 on the bottom.
Got it.
So that covers, all the basic sort of outline of what happens with minor.
Perfect. Excellent. Thank you so much.